Hello students, welcome back. So, we were dealing with the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? Is matter around us pure? And in this chapter we were discussing with the separation techniques, the separation of the heterogeneous mixtures. उसमें से आज हमारी लास्ट टेक्निक है एंड दैट इज सेपरेशन यूजिंग अ सेपरेटिंग फनल. तो सेपरेशन यूजिंग अ सेपरेटिंग फनल का क्या कंसेप्ट है? बेसिकली द कंसेप्ट इज दैट टू इमिक्सिबल लिक्विड्स आर पुट इनसाइड a separating funnel. We are having a different kind of funnel and that kind of funnel is known as the separating funnel. And when we put the two substances separation using separating funnel, okay students, so separation using a separating funnel के अंदर हमें क्या करना है? We have to take a funnel and the shape of the funnel is this funnel is somewhat different as it is known as the separating funnel. We have a beaker here in it and let us just suppose we are going to make this a stand. This is the separating funnel, this is the mixture, and the mixture consists of a separate layer of oil above it. This is a separating funnel. This is the mixture. This is the beaker. This is the cork. And this is the stand. So this is all that we have in a separating funnel mixture. What does it happens in the separating funnel? The two immiscible liquids are put in a separating funnel. The two immiscible liquids are put in a separating funnel using the technique of their immiscibility. Immiscibility का कंसेप्ट क्या होता है? Two substances that do not mix. Using the technique of their immiscibility, the two substances form a layer of separation between them. Layer of separation between them. When they form the layer of separation, the above the lighter substance floats above and the denser substance is at the bottom. For example, oil in the water. If we try to mix the oil in the water, the oil is not mixable in the water. When we put it in a separate, मतलब कि जब हम उसको separately रख देते हैं, then the oil forms the upper layer and the water forms the lower layer. What happens and how does this happen? This is due to the property of their immiscibility. This is due to the property of their immiscibility. Okay. Now, what do the separation funnel do? Let me write it here. The separation funnel has a cork attached to the funnel. This cork can be opened and the opening can be controlled. The opening can be controlled. How this opening can be controlled? If we pull it, if we open it more, the opening is bigger. If we open it less, the opening is smaller. The separated mixture can be obtained in the beaker as the water is denser and forms a bottom layer. And we can open the cork and collect it in the beaker. Okay students, so this was all about the technique of separation of two immixable substances using the separating funnel. Separating funnel की help से क्या होगा? The two immiscible liquids are pulled, the lighter substance floats. Let me underline it with the help of the blue marker. The lighter substance floats above and the denser substance is at the bottom. The separation funnel has a cork attached to it and the opening of the cork, that is the diameter of the cork, the separating funnel, basically the diameter of the separating funnel can be controlled. By opening the cork more or less, we can control the flow of water or the droplets of the mixture that are taking place in this. The separated mixture can be obtained in the beaker. Now after some time, what will happen? This is our separation funnel. Here is the cork. This is the beaker. This is the stand. Okay. This is the stand. you can see the water is flowing and the oil is left behind. जब यहाँ पे oil रह जाएगा, the oil is left behind. This is the oil and this is the water. जब सारा पानी निकल जाएगा, हम क्या कर देंगे? We are going to close this cork and close the opening of the beaker. Thus, no oil can be floated down into the water. And in this way, we had separated the two immiscible liquids using a separating funnel. ये separating funnel जो है, इसका concept यही होता है, इसका main concept तो यही होता है कि जो दो immiscible liquids है ना, वो separation कैसे करते हैं कि जो लाइटर सब्सटेंस है वो ऊपर फ्लोट करता है और जो डेंसर सब्सटेंस है वो नीचे रह जाता है. नीचे से हम ओपनिंग खोल देते हैं एंड वाटर क्या है, फ्लो करता रहता है. जब ये वाटर यहाँ तक फ्लो कर जाएगा सारा, तो हम क्या कर देंगे? बीकर क्लोज कर देंगे एंड द ओपनिंग ऑफ दिस सेपरेटिंग फनल इज क्लोज्ड एंड ऑयल क्या कहाँ पे रह जाएगा? ऑयल रह जाएगा सारा फनल के अंदर एंड बीकर रह जाएगा पानी के अंदर, बीकर के अंदर सारा पानी आ जाएगा. We are able to collect the water inside the beaker. Okay students, so that was all about the technique of separation using the separating funnel. Now we had completed with the topic ended the topic separation of heterogeneous mixtures. Let us have a revision and let us solve some questions based on it. उससे पहले हम हर चीज़ में कंडीशंस करते हैं, तो इसमें भी कंडीशंस कर लेते हैं. कंडीशंस ऑफ द मिक्सचर्स या types of mixtures that are separable by the technique of separation funnel. So the first thing is, and that is the two mixtures should be immiscible. अगर immiscible होंगे तो it is clear that they'll have a density difference. Lighter substance है वो ऊपर आ जाएगा and जो heavier substance है वो नीचे रह जाएगा. The two mixtures should be immiscible. The next thing is there must be a density difference between the two mixtures. Now let us have an revision to the techniques that were, हमने basically 5 techniques की हैं for the separation of heterogeneous mixtures. I hope कि आप सब students को याद होगी. The first one technique was sedimentation. Sedimentation में sediments को separate करने के लिए we had applied the two things, filtration and decantation. The next technique that we used was centrifugation. Centrifugation technique के बाद we use the technique of magnetic separation. Then we did the technique of separation using the separating funnel. So these are the basic techniques that we studied for the separation of two heterogeneous mixtures. Two heterogeneous mixtures को हम separate क्यों कर पा रहे हैं? Basically due to the heterogeneity of them. जब भी कोई heterogeneous substances हैं और वो properly mix नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, particles are not properly, basically they are not homogeneously, they are not equally, they are not uniformly spread. तो उस टेक्निक में हम ये सब टेक्निक्स यूज़ करते हैं, that is of sedimentation, centrifugation, magnetic separation and separation using the separating funnel. Now we are going to solve some questions based on these techniques. इन टेक्निक्स को लेके जब हम थोड़े से क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा that how can we apply these techniques. Yes, the last technique that we studied yesterday was sublimation. Sublimation technique was used for separation of the sublimates. So अब इसके बेस पे हम थोड़े से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे ताकि हमें पता चल जाए कि जो हमने रीड किया है उसकी रियल लाइफ में एप्लीकेशन कहाँ पे आ रही है. We are having a solid mixture of cement plus we cannot do it that we cannot do basically नमक वाली जो चीज़ है अभी नहीं ले सकते हैं. Let us ammonium chloride plus some separation using the separating funnel plus oil and water. We are having a mixture of solid mixture है तो oil नहीं आ सकता. Just wait a second. We can put here iron filings. सॉलिड मिक्सचर है स्टूडेंट्स तो NH4Cl बेसिकली जो अमोनिया है, अमोनियम क्लोराइड नहीं, दैट इज अमोनिया. और वी कैन टेक द नैप्थलिन बॉन्ड्स. हाँ, तो ये मिक्सचर है हमारे पास, इसको हम सेपरेट आउट करेंगे. हाउ कैन वी सेपरेट the butter from cream? How can we separate the mixture of iodine plus sand? Some patient in the hospital need the blood components. patient A needs platelets while patient B needs RBCs. The hospital has only one donor sample. So, how will you suggest that how can we separate the components of blood? Now, let us try to solve these questions. Dekho, in the first part we are going to have, yes, basically in the first part, solid mixture of cement plus naphthalene balls plus iron fillings. जो हमारे पास mixture of cement and naphthalene balls हैं, उसमें से iron fillings को हम क्या कर लेंगे? We can separate the iron fillings with the help of the magnetic separation. Yes, answer to the A part is we can separate iron fillings by magnetic separation. Then the naphthalene balls by sublimation. ठीक है, so that is done. मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन से हम आयरन फिलिंग्स को सेपरेट आउट कर लेंगे एंड नैप्थलीन बॉल्स को हम सब्लिमेशन से सेपरेट आउट कर लेंगे. Answer to the second question is how can we separate butter from cream? By centrifugation. Centrifugation. When the cream is rotated at a high speed, the components or the constituents of it gets separated. Thus क्या हो जाता है? जो lighter part है that separates out, that comes above, and the denser part comes down. In this way we can separate butter from cream with the help of centrifugation. Now the next question is how can we separate the mixture of iodine and sand? You have to write, as we know that iodine is a sublimate. Iodine is a sublimate. Thus, what will happen whenever we will try heating the mixture of iodine and sand? The iodine will sublimate out and we can collect it on the cotton plug as the solid vapors. वेपर्स की फॉर्म में हमें कॉटन के ऊपर जो आयोडीन है वो ऑब्टेन हो जाएगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड सैंड इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. वी कैन ऑब्टेन it by sublimation. In the process of sublimation, iodine turns into gaseous state and forms vapors and thus it can be stuck at the cotton plug. In this way, we can separate the mixture of iodine and sand. Next thing is by centrifugation. इसको explain करने के लिए let me explain you this thing with the help of detailed example. देखो, we are having two patients, patient A and patient B. We are having two patients. The patient A needs platelets and the patient B needs RBCs. प्लेटलेट्स किस केस में चाहिए होते हैं? जब हमारे ब्लड में प्लेटलेट्स का अमाउंट कम हो जाता है, देन वी नीड प्लेटलेट्स फॉर ब्लड कोएगुलेशन. ब्लड कोएगुलेशन के केस के लिए बेसिकली हमें प्लेटलेट्स चाहिए होते हैं. एंड आरबीसीज हमें क्यों चाहिए होते हैं? फॉर हेमोग्लोबिन बाइंडिंग. ठीक है. Our blood is composed of four kinds basically of things: the plasma, the platelets, the RBCs and the WBCs. Plasma is very light in density, it is comparatively more heavier, it is even more heavier, and WBC सबसे ज़्यादा heavy होते हैं. ठीक है. It is having least density, more density, more density and more density. Whenever we do centrifugation, centrifugation का process करते हैं, we take up the blood sample and rotate it at a very high speed. Whenever we take a blood sample and rotate it in a very high speed, then the mixture, the basically parts, plasma, platelets, RBCs and WBCs are separated out. These mixtures are separated out and we get what? We get separate platelets. Platelet count भी check कर सकते हैं, RBCs की quality and count भी check कर सकते हैं, WBCs का count भी हम check कर सकते हैं. किसी को अगर प्लाज्मा में प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन्स या एंटीबॉडीज़ की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज द एंटीबॉडीज़ आर फाउंड इन द प्लाज्मा. जैसे कि आजकल कोरोना वायरस का केस चल रहा है. The patients who have been recovered from coronavirus have the antibodies against that virus in their plasma. तो अगर किसी पेशेंट को कोरोना वायरस है और उसकी हमें ट्रीटमेंट देनी है, तो हम क्या करें? जिस पेशेंट ने रिकवर कर लिया उसका ब्लड प्लाज्मा निकाल के इसमें ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. तो उसमें क्या होंगी? एंटीबॉडीज़ होंगी, एंटीबॉडीज़ अगेंस्ट द कोरोना वायरस, एंड वो क्या कर सकता है? फाइट कर सकता है विद द कोरोना वायरस, क्योंकि हमने जो ऑलरेडी मेड एंटीबॉडीज़ हमने उस बंदे को प्रोवाइड कर दी हैं. सो अलग अलग केसेस में अलग अलग ब्लड के कंपोनेंट्स चाहिए होते हैं. पहले ज़माने में क्या होता था? जो होल ब्लड था वो चाहिए होता था, लेकिन आज हमारा एक ब्लड है वो बहुत सारी जानों को बचा सकता है, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग द 4 components एंड अलग अलग से चारों components डोनेट करके वी कैन सेव द लाइव्स ऑफ मोर देन 1 person. Okay students, so that was all about the separation of heterogeneous, the techniques of separation of heterogeneous mixtures and their applications and their answers. I hope you got it all, and thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.